myself, Dr. Rupa Gunaseelan, coordinator of Phase 2, RUSA Bharatiyar University, proudly presents the details of Phase 1 and Phase 2 of RUSA Bharatiyar University. Before starting with the details of Phase 1 and Phase 2, I, on behalf of Bharatiyar University and RUSA Bharatiyar University, would like to express my gratitude to the Government of India, MHRD, Tamil Nadu government and the Ministry of Education, also our Honorable Vice Chancellor, for having given such a huge funding to Bharatiyar University for executing research, innovations and infrastructure development. I also would like to express my sincere gratitude and would like to give the details of the team which is working along with me in execution of RUSA Phase 2. Myself as a coordinator, and I work under the chairmanship of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. I do have a deputy coordinator who is supporting me in all my activities, Dr. Parimel Alagan, Dr. Angiyar Kanni, Dr. Satish Kumar, who are working as nodal officers, and we are much supported by Board of Governance from our own internal members, and 2 of the members are from external industry representatives and other university representatives. Apart from this team, we do have monitoring unit members who are from different departments, who are all giving us adequate guidance to proceed with the projects which we are running under RUSA Phase 2. And to start with, RUSA Phase 1 was provided to Bharatiyar University exclusively for developing infrastructure, through which we developed hostel facilities, sports facilities, libraries and laboratories, which was under the stewardship of Dr. Sarvanachelvan and Dr. Chandra. When we completed very successfully RUSA Phase 1, Phase 2 funding was given to Bharatiyar University. Phase 1 was funded with 20 crores and followed by Phase 2 funded with rupees 50 crores. And these 50 crores are given for 2 different purposes: entrepreneurship, innovation and career hub, execution of entrepreneur projects, innovation and career related projects, and another is for an important assignment, cancer researchers. Bharatiyar University is progressively executing all the projects which are coming under cancer research and entrepreneurship, innovation and career hub. I am very happy to say that we have so far trained 30,000 students and research scholars under entrepreneurship, innovation and career hub in various domain and non-domain aspects, and also in soft skills. Apart from this, we have given 76 project fellows and they are doing or assisting their project leaders. We call as PI, project investigators. And also we produced 40 book chapters and journals, and 2 innovative products have been developed out of these projects, and expected to have at least another 30 products which may come out of RUSA Bharatiyar University RUSA Phase 2. So with these achievements, I would like to say that Bharatiyar University is marching towards creating a campus company landscape, which is going to be funded by various other funding agencies also. By having RUSA innovations and career outcomes, Bharatiyar University is aspiring to achieve various other fundings from Atal Incubation Center, and also innovation policy of Tamil Nadu government and Government of India is supporting to strengthen the innovative attitudes and aspirations of Bharatiyar University. So with this, I would like to thank the organizers of these recording and presentation of the details to the various stakeholders of Bharatiyar University. Specific gratitude goes to our Honorable Vice Chancellor and all the administrators of the university. Thank you very much.